Welcome fellas into this new video of TechExpress. Today let's get started with one of the most easiest solution for your WhatsApp business. If you wanted to use the viral reach of TikToks to generate high quality personal leads, sending traffic directly to WhatsApp is one of the most effective strategies today. So this setup requires two specific steps: creating the right type of link for your ad and selecting the correct campaign objective into the TikTok Ads Manager. So first of all, let's go for the essential WhatsApp link setup. The destination for your ad must be a direct WhatsApp link. We use the official wa.me shortcut. So if you start with opening a new tab, just type wa.me followed by your full phone number and including the country code, but without let's say for example without including the country code, any plus signs, spaces or dashes. So if I type for example wa.me in my element, which in this case should be this one, I'm going to just import a random number. This for example is the code you're going to be using. Now to qualify your lead, add a pre-filled message that identifies the ad. We can of course append the link with text followed by your message with spaces replaced by face. For example, I want the free guide. This message automatically loads when the user opens the chat, saving your time and ensuring you know the intent. So copy the complete link. This will be your ad's destination URL. Or for example, let's say wa.me with text. And usually the website can be helping you with this, for example, element. Hello, would like more information. So usually this is the actual one that we're actually aiming for, right? Or we have for example the create WhatsApp links and much more. Now with this being in mind, now that you have your actual link, let's go back into TikTok for Business. Of course, make sure that your link works before we start with a bit TikTok for Business. If you don't have an account, click into the option that says get started, which appears into the right upper corner. Here you can start by using an email as well as a passcode, which you can key into the option that says sign up. If you already have a TikTok account, just go for sign up with TikTok and you can let us know that we are now directly inside. Now in my case, since I already have an account here into TikTok, you can key into the option that says logged in with TikTok. Just click into the option that says logged in with TikTok, hit into the option that says continue, and you are now going to be inside your TikTok ads. Then the next thing to do is for a simple setup. Now if you hit for the option that says Business Center, you must have an actual Ads Manager account. If you don't, hit into the option that says Create. When you have now choose the option that says Create, it's going to be asking you primarily, of course, to add more information about your business and your support. So your agency, more about your enterprise, the business, and all of those. Once you have now generated that kind of element, you can head back directly into the TikTok ads. So you can choose your ads manager and start by going with the first traffic element, which in my case would be creating an actual campaign. So inside the TikTok ads manager, let's go here for the option that says create a campaign. For simple setups, you can select the option that says brand awareness and traffic. If you have your pixel set up, you can choose conversions. But traffic is the easiest way to start sending clicks. So let's go for continue. For my campaign name, let's say for example we're going to be sending this WhatsApp trial. Optimization goes, you can try out to the landing page views or click into click. Then hit for continue. Review your placements. Automatic placements is usually best to start with on TikTok. Through the destination URL, I wanted to choose the destination URL that we generated from the WhatsApp.me, which in this case should be this one. Then you can check out for the option that says preview to make sure that the destination URL actually works. Now here into the ad creation and the conversational CTA. At the 8th level, paste your custom element and then your beta created should be conversational and quickly explain the value. It should feel native to TikTok authentic, so quick, cut and engaging. To see more ideas about this, you can go for the TikTok Creative Center element, when you can check out more solution hashtags, product element hashtags and so much more. For example, let's say that I go for TikTok videos, where you can find more inspirations about what kind of people, of course, what does people are actually saying about this kind of products. So TikTok videos, find inspiration through trending videos. Then you can go for the call to action. Buy now, place your order today, click to buy yours, whatever, and hit for continue. Then it might be asking you to enter the targeting and the budget, where you can just check out the review your actual ad. You can choose the optional option that says targeting, because this automatically target audiences most receptive to your ad in real time. And you can see the actual budget, how many money you are willing to pay for. Hit for daily, for example. This one, of course, is recommended. This is, for example, more daily, more clicks, custom budget, the schedule, and click into the option that says publish. And this one is now being ready to go. To run successful TikTok ads into WhatsApp, create a Want Me link to a pre-filled messages. Use the traffic objective, use a clear conversational video creative, and hit for published. You can check out all this information directly here now, directly through your campaigns, where you have your active campaigns directly here into the TikTok ads. So what product are you selling through chat? You can let me know into the comments below. If this tutorial looked a new strategy for you, hit the like button and subscribe to Express to check out more information about how to get started with TikTok. Thank you once again, guys, and see you next time.